If you have egg, butter or margarine, then make this super delicious, crunchy, easy shortbread cookies recipe. You will love this. As you can see, it turned out so perfect, and at the end of the video you are definitely going to make these cookies your #1 favorite biscuit of all time. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I'll go in with 2 medium-sized eggs. Next, I'll go in with half cup of sugar. Moving forward, I'll also go in with half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of butter or margarine. Use the very soft butter or margarine so that the mixing process will be a little bit easy, okay? I'll stir everything together using my hand whisk. You can also use your machine whisk to do this, and trust me, it works perfectly fine. So I'll use my hand whisk to whisk it for about 10 minutes and it should be ready. It's been 10 minutes now, and this is how it turned out. It turned out very soft and very creamy, and that's just perfect. Next, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. For the flour, you can also use plain flour or self-raising flour for this recipe, and trust me, it works perfectly fine as well. I'll stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I'll proceed to the next stage. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so moving forward, as you can see, I'm going in with a little bit of evaporated milk. This is about 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. If you don't want to use the milk, you can also use water to do this, and it works perfectly fine as well. But if you want it more rich and delicious, then you need to go in with either milk powder or evaporated milk, and you are good to go. I'll combine everything together, and the dough should come out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. At this point, the dough is nice and ready. I'm going to wrap this in my cling film. I'll keep it in my refrigerator to refrigerate for about 30 minutes, and it should be ready. Keeping it in the refrigerator makes it very easy to work with, so kindly note it. Now, whilst that is going on, I would love to use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful, and if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly do that, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the dough has been in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes now, I'll use my rolling pin to roll out the dough just the way you see it on your screens right now. And once that is done, use any cutter of your choice to cut your cookies according to how you want it, whether being a bowl, a knife, or a cookies cutter. Feel free to use it and you are good to go. So as you all know, I love to use this love shape bowl, so today that's what I'm going to be using, and also my all-time favorite butter cookie shape. I'll be using my knife to do it. So the leftovers that I had, I used my crinkle cutter to cut it, and trust me, it also turned out just perfect as well. I'm going to be baking this in my oven, and I'll be baking the rest in my air fryer. So whether being oven or without oven, or even on your stove top, you can still achieve this perfect consistency. Alright, so let's cut our cookies, and whilst that is done, we will begin to bake it. And if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia. And trust me, I share amazing recipes over there, and you are definitely going to love this. Also do subscribe to the channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I created this beautiful shapes with my crinkle cutter. As I said, use any cutter of your choice, and I love this crinkle shape very well. Alright, so now I'm going to place my second batch also in my air fryer, and I'll bake for about 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And afterwards, this is how everything turned out. It turned out so perfect and just crispy. I love the outcome so much. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this cookies recipe. I hope you're going to try, and you are definitely going to love this. Now let's see how crispy these cookies turn out. Do you see that? It looks super crispy and perfect. Just trust the process and you are going to love this. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.